Hello, now we are going to see about Stelar evolution. First, steel. Steel is the central cylinder of vascular tissues present in higher plants and pteridophytes that has xylem, phloem, pericycle, medullary base and pith. The word steel is derived from Greek word meaning rod or column. This was first introduced by Van Degem and Olliott in 1886. According to them, fundamental part of shoot are cortex and central cylinder. That central cylinder is termed as steel. Next, types of steel. There are three types: protosteel, siphonosteel and solenosteel. First, protosteel. Protosteel is the most primitive and simplest type of steel. This was named by Jeffrey in 1898. In this, pith is absent, xylem is present in the center and that is surrounded by phloem. Protosteel has five types: haplosteel, actinosteel, plectosteel, mixed protosteel and mixed protosteel with pith. First, haplosteel. This is the primitive type of protosteel. In this, xylem is present in the center and that is surrounded by phloem. This was named by Brebner in 1902. Example, Selaginella. It is usually present in fossil genera like Rhynia and Horneophyton. Second, actinosteel. In this, xylem is star-shaped or stellate. The phloem is surrounded by xylem but not in continuous but in separate patches. This was named by Brebner in 1902. Third, plectosteel. It is advanced type. In this, xylem is divided into plates that are arranged parallel to each other. The phloem alternates with xylem. Example, Lycopodium clavatum, named by Zimmermann in 1930. Fourth, mixed protosteel. In this, xylem is divided into several groups or units that is scattered in ground mass of phloem. Example, Lycopodium cernum. Fifth, mixed protosteel with pith. In this, xylem is divided into several groups or patches scattered in the ground mass of phloem, but in this, pith will be present in the center. Example, Hymenophyllum, Temesium, Lepidodendron, Selaginodes. Next type of steel is siphonosteel. A protosteel with pith in the center is called siphonosteel. Scientists shows different views in the origin of siphonosteel, but they agreed that siphonosteel is originated from protosteel by formation of pith in the center, and the central xylem is replaced by parenchymatous pith. There are two views: interstellar and extrastellar origin. In this, there are two types of siphonosteel: ectofloic and amphifloic. First, ectofloic. In this ectofloic siphonosteel, pith is present in the center and that is surrounded by xylem. Then xylem is surrounded by phloem on external side. Example, osmunda. Amphifloic siphonosteel. In this, pith will be present in the center. Then xylem is covered internally and externally by phloem is amphifloic siphonosteel. Example, Marsilia. Next, solenosteel. This is subcategory of siphonosteel. Siphonosteel with leaf cap is called solenosteel. This also has two types: ectofloic and amphifloic. First, ectofloic solenosteel. In this, pith is present in the center that is surrounded by xylem and that by phloem. Example, osmunda. But in this, leaf cap will be present. Next, amphifloic solenosteel. In this, pith is present and xylem will be present in between the phloems. In this also, leaf cap is present. Example, Adiantum pileatum. Thank you.